Okay, now let's look at the arithmetic of decimal numbers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Of course, let's start with this example. Okay, let's solve these examples on the arithmetic. The first one is addition. 2.53. Second one is 1.14. We have to add this one. Just like what we did during the whole number. The only difference is that there is no point in that place. So it's very easy, right? So 3 plus 4 gives us 7. At this level, we don't need to give ourselves, don't use calculator, but calculator is very easy. But we want to use our brain. So this is 7. And then 5 plus 1 gives us what? 6. Point 3, 2 plus 1 gives us 3, right? This is easy. Now let's look at 3 different decimals. We have to arrange this in order. Okay? The first one is 24.316. Second one, you have to let the points be in order. So if this is the point, what is here is what? 6. And what comes after is 7, 2. So if you like, you can add 0 here. If you like, you can leave it, no problem. The last one, this is decimal, which means the number that comes is 1, 3, 7, 5, 6, 7. So which means there is 0 here, there is 0 here, there is 0 here. If you don't put there is no problem. There is no problem. You just know that there is some no number there. So now we want to sum all these 3 numbers together. 0 plus 0 plus 7. Obviously 7, right? Now 6 plus 0 plus 6. That is 12. In decimal, we write 2 and we keep 1, right? That one we keep plus this one, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5 gives us 9. We are lucky. No remainder now. Okay, the last on the decimal. 3 plus 7 gives us 10. 10 plus 7 gives us 17. So we can write 7 and we keep 1. We are keeping 1. So decimal number, follow. The decimal must be in order. Now 1 plus 4 gives us 5. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. 11 plus 1 gives us 12. 12. So we write 2, we keep 1. That one we keep, we add it to the next number, 3. 3 plus 3, and 6. And this gives us the result. Now let's look at example under subtraction. The bigger one must be up, right? So we have 7, 4, 0.3, 2. And this one is 0.1161. Subtract. So subtract, minus, right? 2 minus 1 gives us 1. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 4 minus 6, is it possible? It's not possible. What do? We have to borrow. We have to borrow. So if you borrow 1 from here, what is left here is 6. That one come here, become 14. Now, 14 minus 6 gives us 8. 14 minus 6. What is left here is what? 6. So 6 minus 1 gives us 5. Please use your brain. Don't use computer brain. Okay. The next question. We have 467.901. Next one, don't forget the points. It must be in order. So we have 8, 4, 2, and after we have 6. My pen, I think my pen is tired. 6, 9, 9. Okay. So this is now we minus 1 minus 2 is not possible. We have to borrow 1. Can we borrow it here? You cannot borrow from here. So we have to come and borrow from this place. Now let's start borrowing. If you borrow 1 from here, what is left here is 8. That 8, that 1 becomes 10 here. So we add it here, we have 10. But this is not where we are going, right? So we have to borrow 1 again from this place. What is left here now is what? 9. That 1 comes to this place, we have 11. Now it's easy to say 11 minus 2 give us what? 9. 9 minus 4 give us 5. 8 minus 8 give us 0. And this is the end of this part. Now come to this place. 7 minus 6 is 1. This one is easy. But 6 minus 9 is not possible. What do? We borrow 1. What is left is 3. That 1 comes here, becomes 16. So 16 minus 9 gives us what? 7. And then what is left here is. Are we together? Now multiplication. Now multiplication is not the same like others. We have to be very careful. It's good to multiply without decimal and keep it somewhere and later add it. This is very technical. The numbers we have here is 2, 4, 3, 2. Multiply 45. This one is what? 1, 2. This is in 2 place. Two place or 2 decimal place, right? And this one is what? 1. 1 decimal place. So keep it and let's do the multiplication. First, multiply it normally, the way you do your what do you call it? Odd number. So let's multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. We have 0. We keep 1. Keep it here. 3 by 5, we have 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So we have 6. We keep 1. Mathematics is for critical thinking. Keep that 1. Don't forget it. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Plus that 1, we keep 21. We have 1. We keep 2 now. It's not 2 that is here. This is mental work. You have to do it like this so that you develop your thinking. 2 is here, right? Now, 5 times 2 is 10. Plus that 2, 12. There's 2 number again, so I can write all the 12 down. Now go to 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So no remainder. 4 times 3 is 12. I write 2. I keep 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus that one, 17. So I write 7. I am keeping 1. Please do it like this. Don't use calculator. 2 times 4 give us 8. Plus that one I'm keeping. That is 9. Now I can do the addition. This is what? 0, 4. I'm keeping 1. 4. So that one. 9. And 10. Finished? No. Decimal place. The decimal place, we have 2 here, we have 1 here, so which means the decimal have increased to 3 place. 3 decimal place. So we have to multiply. We have to place our decimal now. So we have 1, 2, 3. So our decimal place will be here. You see, keep decimal, do the normal multiplication, and now add the decimal. The next question. This one is bigger, so let us write it up. It is 4, 0, 1, 2. This one is what? Which place? 3. 3 place. This is 3 decimal place. The second one, 39 multiply. This one is what? 1 place. 1 decimal place. Now let's do the multiplication quickly. So we have 2 times 9 is 80. Write 8, we keep 1. 9 times 1, 9, plus that 1. Then write 0, keep 1. 0 times 9 is 0, plus that 1. 1, no more keeping, let's say it's memory here now. 9 times 4 is 36. No number again, so we write all the 36. Next one. 3 by 2 equals 6. 3 by 1 equals 3. Equals 0. Equals 12. So, do the sum. This equals 8, 6, 4, 6, 5, 1. Is it finished? If you stop here, we get 2 out of 10. I'm very stingy with math, right? Okay. So add your place value. We have 4 place value. So which means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So our place of value. So it's good to keep it somewhere and later. Okay, the last part, division. Division of decimal. We know how to do our division. Okay, let us try. We have 24.5 and we have 5. So we can leave it. Look where there is a point here. I can fill it out. Okay. How many times 5 goes in 2? It's not possible. So we take the next digit number. How many times 5 goes in 24? 4. Remaining 4, right? So let's write 4. Now, 4 times 5 give us 20. Okay? It's good. So minus, we have 4 left. We drop 5. You can keep this one. I'll keep it, there's no problem. Like that, leave it there. There's no problem. So, let's put it there. Point. Now, 5 is 45. 4 is 45. That should be 9. That should be 9. So we write 9, multiply it, we have 45, minus it is 7. So which means the remainder is 0. Quotient is 4.9. Divider is 5, divisor is 4. So which means answer is what? Yes. Answer. The last but not the least. We have decimal here, we have decimal here. Let me give you a very quick trick to use. Quickly convert it. Convert it. If this is 48 points, and this is 3.5, put this point inside this place. It will increase it to this place. Right? So which means this guy is equivalent to 35. Now I have put this decimal inside. So instead of 1, 2, it will now become 486.5. Why? I want to make life easy for myself. I don't like trouble. I don't look for someone in trouble. So I put that decimal inside, go and make the bigger guy, and then I put it to this. So now there's no decimal here. It's easy for me to now do my division. So you understand that? Again? Okay. The decimal is here, the decimal is here. Because I don't like trouble and I don't like to look for somebody trouble. I know that this is the big boss here. So, and this is the small child. This is 1 place decimal. So I add it to the 2 place decimal here, become 3 place decimal. So that this decimal, this number can be on this. You get the idea? Good. So now, let's solve the problem. 35. 486.5. Now, 35 cannot go in 4, but it can go in 48, which is 1. Multiply it, give us 35, you minus it, right? So what is left is what? 1, 3, and you drop 6, right? You drop 6. Good. Now, how many times 35 goes in 136? 36 itself will be 1. In 100 will be 2. So it's like 3. It's 3. It's 3 because 100 equals 2. This one equals 3. So multiply it. We have 1, this is 15, 105. Again, minus. This is 1, 3. 1, 3. This is 0, so we can drop 5 because 35 cannot go 31, obviously. So you have to drop 5. If you drop 5, now we say how many times 35 goes in 315, which is, let's say 10. If it's 10, 10 will be 350. And this is not. So if we say 9, it's 9, right? Because we say 10, it's not up to this one. So 9. Don't forget this is point. So near the point, it will be another point 9. 9 times 30. 9 times 35. 35 times 9. This is 45. Remaining 4. This is 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31. Ah, good. 3, 1, 5. So what is left is 0. What's left is 0. So the remainder is 0. This one is not useful here. 0 remainder. Quotient is 13.9. So our answer is finish.